The blistering report accusing the White House of missing crucial signals as the coronavirus outbreak was spreading across the U.S. Here's ABC's Rachel Scott from Washington.
Tonight, the White House's leading infectious disease expert admits government inaction cost American lives.
Obviously, you could logically say that if you had a process that was ongoing and you started mitigation earlier, you could have saved lives. Obviously, no one is going to deny that. But what goes into those kinds of decisions is complicated.
The New York Times reports in a February 21st coronavirus task force meeting attended by Fauci and HHS Secretary Alex Azar, it was decided they would soon need to move toward aggressive social distancing. By this point, China had at least 75,000 cases, and northern Italy was closing public spaces. But the president did not announce those measures for more than 3 weeks. During that time, the number of known U.S. coronavirus cases surging from 15 to over 4,000. Sources tell ABC News as far back as late November, U.S. intelligence officials warned of a crisis. Over the next month, briefings included the National Security Council at the White House. By early January, the contagion sweeping through China was in the president's security brief. The president saying he learned of the magnitude right before his decision on January 31st to limit travel with China.
When did you first learn about the intelligence, and could you have acted on it then?
Well, I learned when I learned about the gravity of it was sometime just prior to closing the country to China.
The administration is pushing back against reports of missing early warning signs. The White House has responded to that New York Times report, telling us the president took bold action to protect Americans.